Hey everyone, welcome to the video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix the issue when you're just playing the game of Genshin Impact, just like that. That one game, when you just like to on it, that one game, and when just playing the game, you're facing issue of lagging when you just update to the latest iOS version. So after updating, your game gonna lag and your FPS also gonna drop. So how you can fix that issue? So just boost your performance right now. So first of all, you just have to just follow the steps to fix the issue. So just go back. I'm gonna show you the steps to fix that issue and just check that if it's game working or not. So just going to the settings of the iPhone, and here you just make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. So many users facing issue because they don't have any strong Wi-Fi connection, and so that's why they're getting the issue. So make sure that you have strong Wi-Fi connection. So other thing is that not connect with any VPN. So other thing is just go to general section and just going to the iPhone storage. And here you don't have enough storage in your iPhone, so that's why you're getting the lagging issue and also issues of the FPS dropping. So make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So after that, just go back. If you don't know how you can free up space in iPhone storage, just delete the random unwanted apps from your iPhone. So after deleting the apps, you have enough storage in your iPhone. So just go back and just scroll down and see the option of a background amplify. Just tap on that and just turn it off. After that, just scroll down and just see the option of a transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from there. After that, just go back. After all the settings, you have to just restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, and you have to check that if you're using a charger while playing the game, if you're using a charger, so make sure that you just remove the charger from your iPhone while playing the game. So after that, you just have to just follow. The other thing is you just check that if your game have any update from your app store. So just going to the settings of your app store and just going to the profile section and just going to apps, and here you see the option of an update. If it's showing, so see that it's not showing, so if it's mean it's not if not getting the update from the Genshin app. So after that, settings and other things which I'm gonna tell if your phone are gonna solve. So just simply just delete the app from your iPhone and again download from the app store. So after that, just restart your iPhone and again on it. So after that, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel for the more videos.